Adam wants to see how he is outside. Open the door. He's already walking around. Your cage is messy. Why is it so messy? Why is it so messy? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I know. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Kaiser, come on. And there he is. Comes when I call him. You come when I call you. Do you come when I call you? Big old boy. Love you, crazy bird. Can I come over here? Kaiser? Come here. Are you done coming to me or what, since I let you out? Oh yeah. Come here. Come on. I think he doesn't want to come anymore. He wants to go inside. He just... What are you doing? He's just sitting there, like, walking around, being all big, trying to... I guess he's hating on my cat. Oh God. He tried to attack my cat. What, Logan? How's my kitty? My kitty. I love you. I know. That bird tried to kill you. So watch out. Kaiser, get the kitty. Get the kitty. Get the kitty. Can you get the kitty? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, buddy, that was my ear. You landed on my ear. You had bad aim. Come here, Logan. Now he's on my head. Yes, I look like shit. I'm doing yard work. So, don't hate. Get off my head. Get off my head. Kitty bed. Come here. Come here. I was just way too excited today. Way too excited. Want to come here? Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy. See that? Came right to me. No kitty action for you today? Huh? No kitty action for you today? You almost attacked him earlier. What was up with that? Huh? Logan? Come here. Come here. Can you get the kitty? Screw that. I only attack cats when you're not around. And I'm gonna rub on your leg. That's that. He comes when I call him. He stays near me. And he's trying to eat the bug in the jar container thing. I don't know. Attacks cats. He attacked a squirrel this morning. Pulled his tail in the cage. And what are you doing? Alright. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that? Bye-bye, Adam. Bye-bye.